All of you write. Dilipan is observing his image in a plane mirror. His image in a plane mirror. His image in a plane mirror. Full stop. The distance between the mirror. The distance between the mirror and the image is 4 meters.
In.
Again,
Sir, can you say again?
Dilipan is observing his image in a plane mirror. Dilipan is observing his image in a plane mirror. Again, two more need to log in. Who is that? Okay. Right. Dilipan is observing his image in a plane mirror. The distance between the mirror and his image is 4 meters. The distance between the mirror and his image is 4 meters. 4 meters. Full stop. If he moves 1.5 meter towards to the mirror, 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 then the distance between the Dilipan and his image is, and the distance between the Dilipan and his image is, options also I am giving. Option A 3 meters, option B 5 meter, option C 6 meters.
5.5,
Sir,
sir.
5 meters, sir.
5 meters, sir.
5
5
meters,
meters.
sir. 5 meters,
Sir,
sir.
5 meters, sir. 5
Sir, 5
meters.
meters.
5 meters.
5 meters.
5 meters,
Yes.
sir.
Draw
5
image.
meters.
Sir, can you explain?
Yeah, I will explain. First, draw image also, all of you. All of you try.
Sir,
to-
1 minute, sir. If he moves 1.5 meter towards to the mirror, next to what will
What
come,
will
sir?
be the distance between the image and the
No,
yeah,
The
let us see
distance will
first
be
case.
reduced only, no?
Yeah, first case you see. This is my mirror. Is it yes or no? All of you. Now they are saying that plane mirror, and they are saying that distance between the mirror and the image. How much Ra? How much Ra Dilipan? This is the Dilipan
4
image.
meters, sir.
Dilipan
Four.
image. 4 meters.
that is also 4 meters, sir.
Is 4 meters. So this is what image. This is the image of Dilipan. Now in front of also, how much it will be?
5
4
meter only.
meters.
In front
4
of
meters.
also. In front of also 4 meters only. Is it correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes
Yes,
or no?
sir.
So now what is
5
the
meter only.
total distance from the image and object?
8 meters.
8 meters, sir.
4 meters plus
Meters.
4 meters, which is equals to 8
8
meters.
meters, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sir.
Now,
3,
you will observe.
8 minutes.
It has been changed now. Again, plane mirror. Just same plane mirror.
1.5.
Dilipan current. This is object. This is Dilipan. D. I will write.
Both side 1.5 meter is reduced, sir. So 3 meters total.
3 meters are wrong. So now, image is
2.5, sir.
is 4 minus 1.5. How much Ra? 2.5. Yes or no?
2.5.
2.5, sir.
2.5. So Dilipan has came to now
2.5.
2.5 meters. So this is the image.
So then,
This is the sense of object also how much?
2.5.
2.5, sir.
2.5, sir.
2.5 plus
Understand what
2.5.
2.5 plus 2.5.
2.5 plus 2.5, which is equals to 5.
5 meters.
That's all. Understand, Ra? So which option is correct? Option B is correct. Draw. Like this exam, you should draw like this. If it is come for 1 mark or 2 mark, you have to draw like this. Do it. All of you do it. Jesse is missing again. Pranita, Jesse is missing. Jesse and Prahasini. What happened to Jesse? You understand or not, Amma?
Sir, Jessie don't know that we are in the same meeting link, sir. She's asking in the group, sir.
Ah.
Sir, I said her, sir, she will join us. Sir.
Oh, okay. Do it. Is it completed?
No,
So,
sir.
All of you. Repeat now. Next
Sir,
sum.
you wrote 2 points, sir.
Sir,
Right.
no, sir, no, sir. Sir,
Wait,
didn't-
wait.
Sir, you wrote 2.5.
What? Ra?
2.5, sir. 1.5, you wrote 2.5.
Hey, 1.5 minus, man. 4 minus 1.5.
But after reducing,
After reducing, Ra. I am writing. Purinjicha, Dilipan.
Okay, sir.
Sir, after that 8 meters, how we will find, sir?
How would you find out?
Yes, sir.
What
can't
one
understand
was name?
this,
How
sir.
you found 8 meters up?
No, sir, not that one, sir.
Ah,
After finding 8 meters,
ah.
we will do one step, no, sir, before doing 2.5 plus 2.5. That step, can you say again?
We'll move forward now.
meters.
Before he is at 4 meters. Before his image is 4 meters away from the
Yes,
mirror. Now after that, he has moved 1.5 meter forward. His object is moved 1.5 meter forward. Means in the sense of image also will come forward. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
That is. So before he is at 4
So,
meters now.
4 meters.
Before he is at 4 meters now. 4 minus 1.5 meters forward. Means in the sense of 2.5 only. So that image also will come 4 minus 1.5, which will comes to 2.5 meters.
Yes, sir.
Understand?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
That is. Okay, Ra, all of you. Do it now.
Yes,
Next
sir.
question. Next question. Let me see. Just you imagine. Understand? The rear view mirror of a car is a plane mirror. Right, all of you. The rear view mirror. The rear view mirror of a. The rear view mirror of a car is a plane mirror. The rear view mirror of a car is a plane mirror. Full stop. A driver is reversing his car. A driver is reversing his car. A driver is reversing his car at a speed of 2 meters per second. A rear view mirror of a car is a plane mirror. A driver is reversing his car at a speed of 2 meters per second. 2 meters per second. 2 meters per second. The driver sees in his rear view mirror. The driver sees in his rear view mirror. In his rear view mirror, the image of the truck. 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 The image of the truck parked behind his car. Parked behind his car. The image of the truck parked behind his car. Now, full stop. The speed at which the image of the truck, the speed at which the image of the truck appears to approach the driver will be.
Sir, say again, sir. The
Yeah.
speed at which
The speed at which the image of the truck appears to approach the driver will be. He is moving with a 2 meter per second. Now the image which is parked behind, how it appears to be coming, at what speed they are asking. That's all. Nothing
2
is.
meters.
Image of the truck, what will come?
What am I?
the truck appears.
Can you please say after image of the
It
truck?
appears, the truck appears to approach the driver will be. The speed at which
2
the
meters
image of the truck appears to approach the driver will be.
2 meters per second, sir. Sir, 2 meters per second.
meter per
So I want explanation.
2 meters per second, sir.
It is plane mirror, correct?
Yes, sir.
So options I am giving you. A, 1 meter per second. B, 2 meter per second. C, 3 meter per second. And D, 4 meter per second. I want answer. Again somebody left. Who is that, Amma? I don't know who is. I cannot find easily. It is very difficult. Now again it will become 16. Prasini and one more is leaving. Okay, tell me. What is the answer?
Pranita, sir.
So you observe.
Pranita.
Pranita is not there.
Yes.
Pranita
said she's not feeling well, sir.
Oh, okay, ma. You tell me. Kevin is saying explanation. The car moves 2 meters backward. Understanding. So he is saying that the mirror also moves 2 meters backward.
Second.
So the image
So 2 meters per second.
2 meters forward. No, wrong.
Yes, sir.
Wrong explanation. So you are saying 2 meters. Wrong. Now you see. I will explain. In a plane mirror, as we know that the object and its image always remains at the same distance. Is it true or not? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
All of you, will you agree with that? In a plane mirror, the
Yes,
object and its image always remains at the same distance. Is it true or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
4
from the
meters per
mirror,
second.
when the car reverses at a speed of 2 meters per second, when the car reverses at a speed of 2 meters per second, then the image also will appear how? Then the image also will appears to move. And if car is moving to 2 meters per second means
At a speed of 2
image
meters
also will appears to how? 2 meters per
2
second.
meters per
Yes or no?
second, sir.
This is the
per
object
second.
per second. This is the
Yes,
image.
sir.
Image also will appears to be coming to 2 meters per second. Yes or no? Tell me,
Yes, sir.
Yes. So the image also will appear
Yes,
to
sir.
move towards to the mirror at the same speed 2 meters per second. Now, you observe that the speed at which the image of truck appears to approach the car driver will be how much it is. This is the 2 meters of the object and 2 meters of the image. Then total what is the truck image? How it appears?
4
How it
meters
appears?
per second.
It will be
4
appears
meters per
as
second.
2 meters per image plus understanding object both because mirror will be in middle. So it appears to be coming like 4 meters per second. Understanding, Amma? So what is the correct answer? Okay, once again I will explain. Listen.
4 meters per second is the distance only, no, sir.
Distance means not distance, but how it is appears. Now you see again. In plane mirror, as we know that the object and its image is always remains at the same distance from the mirror. Now let me imagine this is the mirror. Understand? Now the car is reversing at a 2 meters per second. So that the image also will be reversed what? 2 meters per second. Is it yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
If car will be reversed, your car is going backwards, so that the image also will be appears what? 2 meters per second. Is it yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, but truck will be coming like this, correct? Because truck is not going backward. Truck is stopped behind you. Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
See, now my car is reversed. My car is reversed 2 meters per second like this. Means my image also will be reversed 2 meters per second. Is it yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
But my truck is here. This is my truck. Is it the truck is moving? Truck is not moving, correct?
Yes, sir.
The truck is not moving. So that totally what will happen? This is fully in the same direction. Same direction it is appears to be moving. At what speed? Same direction,
4
correct?
meters.
Reverse.
Yes, sir.
Your object also moving in the backward direction 2 meters per second. So that our image also will move at 2 meters per second backwards. Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Now our truck is behind us. It is not moving. So means in the sense of we are going close to the truck. Means in the sense of the truck will be appears to be coming like this. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
At what speed it will come?
4 meters per
4
second.
meters. That's all. Because it is same direction. You understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
That is you should remember. But what your case you said? Suppose the fellow is moving like this direction. You remember? The fellow is moving like this direction. 2 meters forward. Then 2 meters per second forward direction. Then our image also will move what? 2 meters per second forward direction. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
If you will move 2 meters forward, our image also will move towards 2 meters forward. Now, it appears to be coming again how much distance? How much speed? The truck is following us. Again how much?
2 meters per second.
4 meters.
Total 4 meters per second only. Because Here now we are moving away from the truck, and here we are moving towards the truck. Both the cases, truck will be appears to coming as a 4 meter per second. Understand?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
That is because it is same direction. That is why object will move reverse, image also will move reverse. So the total distance, total speed is 4 meter per second. Same way, if object moves forward, image also will move forwards. In this case, also the same thing. Understand, Kevin?
Yes.
Write it, all of
Yes,
you.
sir.
You can do it. Draw this diagram and you can answer. Option C is correct. Option D is correct. 4 meter per second. Okay,
Yes, sir.
all of you.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Now, so this is all about this one. So the next we are going entering into the curved surfaces. This till now we have studied reflection of light from plane surfaces like plane mirrors. So the now next we are going to study reflection of light from curved surfaces called as spherical mirrors. What we should call? Spherical
mirrors.
mirrors. Understand?
Mirrors.
So now, as you observe that, one thing I should say before going to the spherical mirrors, I should say about the plane mirrors one thing. So as we studied in the school class, focal length of a plane mirror. Have you still remember? Sorry, focal length of a spherical mirror. Have you remembered? Focal length. Focal length of a plane mirror, spherical mirror. Have you remembered or not? Which is represented with the F. Do you remembered or not?
Yes, sir.
Focal length. School class I have taught you. If you take a curved mirror, then F will be, this is the F, focal length. It is exactly half of the radius of curvature. Have you remembered?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no, Ra? Means where the image will be appears to be point object. Same way, how many of you have visited salon? Boys, girls, not boys, you may tell me. Boys, if you observe, they used to keep a two plane mirrors like this. And we can see our images continuously like this. Thousands of images are backwards. Is it yes or no?
Yes, sir.
And this side also we can observe that our images is thousands of images backwards, front and back. Is it yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Remember, plane mirror if you take, girls also you should remember. Plane mirror if you take, curved mirrors having some focal length. But if you take the plane mirror, this plane mirror having a infinity distance. The focal length is infinity distance. We cannot measure. So that is why the focal length of the plane mirror, how much we can say? Plane mirror cannot converge the image at any point. Understanding? So and even it cannot diverge the image. So exactly it will show the parallel beam of light always. It will show the parallel beam of light. So that what will happen? So the focal length of a plane mirror is always infinity. That you should remember. The focal length of a plane mirror, which is equal to how much, Amma?
Infinity.
Plane mirror, which is equals to infinity. All of you remember that. We cannot measure the focal length of a plane mirror. That is what? Infinity that is. So now, if you remember, anyhow, the point I will say when the situation will come, but I am saying you, write it. So now, keep heading. Next concept which we are going to study is what? Reflection of light from
Spherical
curved
mirrors.
surfaces. What is that curved surface? First curved surfaces. Spherical mirrors. What we should call?
What is that, sir?
Heading. Reflection of light from curved surfaces. 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 Now, first all of you listen. All of you listen first, later you can write. Now, as I have taught you in plane mirror, you people tell me, when I have taught you as a plane mirror, if I will send the parallel beam of light, what will happen, Ra? If I will send the parallel beam of light, like a straight 90 normal, if I will send, it will be reverse again same way. Is it yes or no?
It
Plane
will
mirror,
be reflected, sir.
yes.
Perpendicularly reflect.
Yeah, if you'll observe, again parallel mirror, if you inserted the parallel beam of light like this, then what will happen, Ra? they will be reflected in the same again parallel beam of light. Is it yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Have you remembered this? Regular reflection.
Sir.
Now, this
Yes,
is
sir,
about the
again,
plane mirror. So if we inserted a parallel beam of light, again the reflected light also will come as a parallel beam. Is it yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So when a parallel beam of light rays falls on a plane mirror, it is reflected as a again parallel beam. So a plane mirror changes only the direction of incident rays. It does not converge or diverge the parallel rays. Does not converge or diverge the parallel rays. That you should remember. So parallel rays cannot be converged or diverged by these plane mirrors. So that is why we can say the parallel rays of light, understanding, in a plane mirror is always just direction will change. There is no converging and there is no diverging. So means converging means focusing at one point, diverging means spreading out in a larger area. So now to make that diverging and converging, we will now describe the spherical mirrors which can converge or diverge the parallel rays of light which falls on them. Means in the sense of which will converge in the sense of they will be focused on particular point. This is called as converging. What we should call Ra? Converging. Understand? Means a parallel beam of light rays will be converging at particular point. So this is only called as converging. As well as diverging rays. So means from the source of light rays will be diverging like this. This is called as diverging. Understand? This is converging, this is parallel, and this is diverging. So to converge and diverge, we will describe and we will study with the help of spherical mirrors. Remember, spherical mirrors only, either they will converge the light or they will diverge the light. Understanding? So which we can converge or diverge the parallel rays of light which will falls on them. So these spherical mirrors, they have curved like surfaces, not plane mirror. Plane mirror will be straight one. So these curved spherical mirrors are curved like surfaces. So that is why these spherical mirrors also known as curved mirrors. What we should call Ra?
Curved mirror.
Curved mirrors. Why we used to call them as curved mirrors? Because they are not the straight understanding mirrors, they are curved like surface. The surface will be like this or like this surface. So that is why these are called as curved mirrors. So now we will first discuss about the spherical mirrors and we will study the reflection of light from the spherical mirrors. So now let us come to this. What is this spherical mirror or what is this curved mirror means? Understanding? So a spherical mirror is a mirror. It is also like a mirror. Understanding? Whose reflecting surface is the part of hollow sphere of glass. That is you should remember. So it is not the plane mirrors. A curved mirrors are the mirror which has been just a part of hollow spherical, hollow sphere of glass. So for example, house are, let me take, I'm having a two hollow sphere of glasses. This is one hollow sphere of glass and this is another hollow sphere of glass. Two glasses I am having now, hollow spheres. Now, if I will cut this part, remember, I am slicing this part and I am coating with, understanding, oblique lines. Oblique lines means what, Ra? Non-reflecting or reflecting surface, oblique lines. Reflecting or non-reflecting surface? Non-reflecting surface. And same way, if I slice here and if I make the non-reflecting surface in inside, understand? Then this is only called as this part, this particular part, understand, is only called as what we should call curved surface. It is looks like a curved surface, and this is also looks like a curved surface. So this two are called as what we should call curved mirrors. What we should call curved mirrors, or else we should call as spherical mirrors. Spherical mirrors. Say, why, what is this spherical mirror means? It is just a part of hollow sphere of glass. Is it yes or no? It's just a part of hollow sphere of glass. Yes or no, Ra? If you slice some part of the hollow sphere of glass, then that is only. And if you shade it to any side, either inside or outside, so depend upon the non-reflecting surface, it may be turns into a type of mirror called as concave mirror or convex mirror. So a spherical mirror is that mirror whose reflecting surface. So here is the reflecting surface, but here this is the reflecting surface. So whose reflecting surface is the part of a hollow sphere of glass is only called as mirror. So these mirrors are two types. One is concave mirrors. What we should call?
Concave and convex.
And the next one is called as
Convex mirror.
One is concave mirrors and the next one is called as convex mirrors. Understand? So now let us start with the concave mirrors. So if we take the concave mirror, so as we know that concave mirror is the spherical mirror in which the reflection of light takes place at the concave surface. Concave surface means bent in surface. So bent in surface means what? This is bent in surface. This is bent out surface. So where the reflecting surface is bent in surface, then that mirror is called as what? Concave mirror. Understand? Hollow sphere of glass. Can you say the meaning of hollow sphere of glass? Ashika, if you take one glass which is having a spherical shape, but middle it is like a ball. You take ball. Ball is imagined like a glass, spherical glass, and if you cut one slice like this or this, and if you coat it inside, one time coated with the silver inside, one time coated with the silver outside, then that is only called as lenses, mirrors. Understand, Ashika? Hollow sphere like a ball, empty glass sphere, which is having inside empty. Understand, Ashika? So now, if it comes to the concave mirror is a mirror which is having a, understanding, a reflecting surface of, which surface are reflecting surface? Bent in surface or bent out surface? A bent in surface. A concave mirror is that of spherical